Hello everyone, welcome to my updated Panty Anarchy cosplay tutorial. Back in 2018, I did a Victoria's Secret Angel version. Watch those tutorials if you haven't already. So I thought it was time to bring her back with a glow up. Starting with the makeup, I wanted to embrace her bold yet simple look, specifically this peachy pink moment. I applied these beautiful bright blue circle lenses that were sponsored by Pinky Paradise, then primed my face. I filled in and shaped my brows with a blonde fibrous mascara. Then used foundation on a small shader brush to clean up and further define the brows. I applied more foundation to the rest of my face with a damp sponge. Then continued using the sponge with loose powder to set it. I contoured my face to add definition. Then applied a dusty pink blush to my cheeks along with some highlight from the same contour palette. I blended a peachy pink eyeshadow all over my lid up to the crease and down the lower lash line. I recommend using a sticky and/or white base to increase pigmentation. I lined my lower lash line with a dark brown eyeshadow. Then tightlined with a black eyeliner and white eyeliner to my waterline. I applied mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Along with false lashes for that extra oomph. I finished the look with a nudie pink lip gloss and setting spray. Moving on to the wig, I wanted to elevate and improve the previous styling with new techniques I've learned over the years to better reflect Panty's style. I used the same gorgeous long blonde wig, which has been washed, air dried, and combed through to remove previous product residue. I gathered the rest of the hair in a scrunchie to section off the bangs, then began crimping and using my fingers to pull apart the strands, creating a fluffy, voluminous look. I combed the bangs to the left and used my hands along with a reference photo to separate the hair into smaller sections. Then I used a razor, my hands, and a blow dryer on the lowest heat setting to shape each spike. Just a reminder, hot tools are hot, so please be careful. Also, I later combined these two into one big spike, so comment below which style you prefer. I used hair gel to secure and define the tips, and later a light spritz of hairspray for good measure. I crimped a small section of hair that was previously cut short, then combed it out. And similar to last time, I tied and stretched an elastic band around the base to increase height. I used the razor to cut and shape the hair into a point, then the blow dryer with gel on the ends to define and set it. Hairspray is optional. I released the rest of the hair and applied silicone spray to add softness and shine. Lastly, we have the outfit. For this revamp, I chose her simple yet iconic look, the red dress. I purchased this strappy red dress of a similar style from Shein, along with red hoop earrings, 4 gold bangles, and a 2-strand gold necklace. You may recognize these red heels from my chocolate cosplay. And if you're wondering, the angel wings I'm wearing in the photos are from Amazon too. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And if you're 18 plus and want spicy, exclusive Panty Anarchy content, then check out my OnlyFans. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel, Tara for Your Wellness, for more cosplay tutorials and other fun things. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video from me. And until next time, please take care and stay well.